This is an essential sauce in my home. This could be considered a sauce that you would use for butternut chicken, or butter chicken, I should say, but I call it butternut sauce. So we're going to start with some coconut oil, maybe a couple of tablespoons, so maybe 30 mils or so. I'm going to get that melting. Coconut oil is actually really, really good for you. And it adds a really beautiful flavor to your meals. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna get some onions going too. That's just one medium onion chopped up. I'm gonna find some salt and pepper. Here we go. So just a little bit of salt and pepper. Once the onions are soft, so we're gonna add our butternut. This is one medium butternut squash, just cut up into 1-inch pieces. So dump it all in there. We need to let this cook down too. However, we're gonna add some of our sauces. So this is my tomato sauce. You can check out that video. It's just homemade tomato sauce. It's about 1 cup, 250 mils. We're just gonna dump it all in. And then this is my ginger coconut sauce. You can check out that video as well. The tomato and the coconut ginger sauce are essential sauces. This is also an essential sauce, so you can see how everything builds upon each other. So we're gonna dump all that in, and we're gonna let this cook down until the butternut squash is soft. Okay, we're gonna check this. I'm pretty darn sure that everything is soft now. So let's see here. So what we're wanting is the butternut pieces to be really soft and pork tender. So that looks amazing. It smells amazing. So we're going to add, 1 or 2 tablespoons of our warming spice blend. You can check out that video. I'm gonna add 2 just because I'm feeling it. This is gonna be so good. So I'm going to stir this in, and then right away we're going to blend it with our hand blender. The reason why I added the spices at the end was because this kind of a spice is very delicate, and it's perfect at the end to add. All we need to do is just to get it to bloom a little bit. Oh, this looks amazing. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat down a bit, and then we're gonna blend. Here we go. Anyway, there's bound to be some lumps in that along the way. And if you wanted a little bit thinner, you could add some water or a little bit more coconut milk, I should say. And then this is an essential sauce. It really is. You can use it right away. Put it in the fridge. You can freeze it and keep it in your freezer for emergency supper time. Right now, I think I'm going to assemble a very special lunch for the crew. So I hope that inspires you. Thanks for watching.